extra crunchy nuggets. Today I enjoy doing this recipe with my niece and she loves it. So I guess that your kids will do too. Here I will show you how to make your own healthy and gluten-free nuggets. It's super easy and I did it in two versions, both gluten-free. So now let's go with the recipe. First, we put in the mixer chicken breast in pieces. Then we add the seasonings that you like. I used garlic powder, onion powder, salt, paprika, pepper, and cayenne that gives a really good flavor. Then add an egg and process all the ingredients until they are well incorporated and we have an uniform mixture. Now that we have our mixture ready, we place it into a mold with non-stick paper. It's a bit sticky, but it's totally normal. That's why then we are going to put them in the fridge for 20 minutes so the mixture is less sticky and then it's much easier to pass it through the egg and coating. As I mentioned, I made two types. First, I passed it through egg and then gluten-free flour. And the other one, I passed it through egg and then corn flake crumbs. And that's how they look like, with gluten-free flour and corn flake crumbs. If you want the crunchier version, then the one with corn flake crumbs is for you. I will show you then how is the version with gluten-free flour. And it's this one. It's a bit less crunchy, but still super good flavor as the other one. I'm sure that you will enjoy both. Quedan buenazos.